working on an important project, and right when you're about to finish, your laptop battery dies. Frustrating, right? So in this video, I will show you 5 ways to keep your laptop battery healthy without wasting any time. Let's roll the video. First tip is charge smart. Don't keep your laptop plugged in all the time. Aim to keep your battery level between 20 to 80%. Letting hit your battery 0% or staying it 100% can wear it out fast. So unplug it around 80% and plug it back in when it drops close to 20%. But if you're doing heavy tasks like gaming or video editing, keep it plugged in to get stable power. Just don't leave plugged in 24/7 when you're not doing heavy stuff. Next, make sure your laptop stay cool because heating is the biggest cause of battery damage. Don't use your laptop on soft surface like pillow, bed, something like that. It blocks your airflow. Always use it on a hard surface. If possible, get a cooling pad to prevent overheating. Another easy tip is use the battery saver mode. Most of the laptop have this feature and it automatically adjusts settings like screen brightness and background app to extend your battery life. This is great for when you're on the go and you need to save some juice. Calibrating your battery once in a while, keep it running accurately. Doing it is simple. Every few months, full charge your laptop battery and drain it completely. After that, full charge it again without an interruption. This helps your laptop battery indicator shows the right level, so you know exactly how much charge is left. Lastly, always use the high quality charger for your laptop. All those cheap third-party chargers will mess up with your battery and cause serious damage over time. Stick to the original charger that comes with your laptop, or if you really need a replacement, go for the trusted brand. So these were the 5 ways to keep your laptop battery healthy. Remember, we all have lithium-ion battery on our phone and laptop, and it is natural for them to degrade over time. But by following these steps, you can slow down the process. There is no such thing as boosting your battery or improving your battery health once it starts to degrading. I hope this video will help you out. Please like the video and subscribe to my channel for more tech videos.